Hey, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how and when to use the IMU calibration of the Hover Air X1 Pro Max. Now, it's not necessary to do this calibration every time you start up the Pro Max, and should only be done after you've had a medium to hard collision, or if the app gives you an error that prompts you to do so. So keep that in mind. The entire purpose of this calibration is to fix the accelerometer and gyroscope, which are usually thrown off after hard crashes, so they need to be recalibrated. So what I'm going to do here before moving on to the calibration process is show you two different case scenarios where I collide the Pro Max on purpose into an obstacle, so that you can get an idea of when you may need to do an actual IMU calibration. In the first instance, I set it to dolly track mode. I start walking slowly towards the tree, as you can see. Now the anti-collision sensors in this situation are supposed to kick in once it detects an obstacle. And it looks like it tried to detect it, but being that the branches are so small, they weren't able to pick them up. Eventually, it does crash, dropping straight to the ground. The battery also ejected after hitting the ground, which can be an issue if it happens to get lost. Now in the second instance, I put it in zoom out mode and set it to 9-meter distance with high altitude. And as you'll see, it rises up, goes back towards the tree, and crashes right into it, again dropping to the ground. I'm not sure why the anti-collision sensors didn't work, but the test was done in a poorly lit area, so I'm not going to judge it too harshly until I can further test it out properly in another video. Alright, so now that I've crashed the Pro Max more than once, I'm going to go ahead and do the IMU calibration. First, you need to go into the hover settings and scroll down to where it says IMU Calibration. Once you click on Start Calibration, follow the images that are on screen. When facing the camera down, you'll have to hold it up with your hand for it to calibrate properly. And there you go. Calibration is done, and you're all set to go. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one. God bless you.